Good morning, students. In this session, we will discuss about data types of the Python. In Python, each value is an object and each value has a data type associated with it. Data type of a value refers to the type of value it holds and allowable operations on those values. Means टाइप ऑफ अ डेटा आइडेंटिफाई करती है कि वेरिएबल जो है किस टाइप का डेटा होल्ड कर सकती है एंड कौन कौन से ऑपरेशंस उस डेटा पे परफॉर्म किए जा सकते हैं. सो लेट अस डिस्कस डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप्स इन पाइथन. Different data types in Python are numbers, sequence, sets, none, mapping. First of all, numbers. Number data type, as the name indicates, it is to store numerical value only, and further it can be divided into three different data types, that is integer, floating point and complex. And integer further has a subtype boolean. So let us first of all discuss these one by one. First of all, integer. Integer is a data type in which whole numbers without any fractional part are saved. So the numbers can be the positive number or negative number, and they have unlimited size in Python. So there can be the big size integers, whether it's a negative integer or a positive integer, that can be handled in Python. So no doubt there is a limit that up to how many digits or what is the minimum value or the maximum value an integer can handle, that we will discuss later on. So you should keep in mind that it can be positive or it can be negative whole number, and no decimals are allowed if the data type is int. Next is float. Floating point number denotes real numbers or the floating point values, that is numbers with the fractional part. Floating point numbers are written with the decimal point, which separates the integer from the fractional number. Examples you can see: minus 2.04, 4.0, 14.23, minus 43.2, etc. So the floating point numbers are the decimal numbers, or you can say these are the fractional numbers in the floating point form. Next is complex numbers. Complex number in Python are made up of real number and imaginary number. Means it has two parts, real and imaginary. Complex numbers के बारे में स्टूडेंट्स, मैथ के स्टूडेंट्स ने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा. अगर अभी आपने नहीं पढ़ा, देन यू विल कम टू नो इन डिटेल अबाउट द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. सो कॉम्प्लेक्स डेटा टाइप इज़ आल्सो अवेलेबल इन पाइथन. नो डाउट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ इसका पाइथन में नहीं होता है, बट इट प्रोवाइड्स दिस डेटा टाइप. नेक्स्ट इज़ बूलियन डेटा टाइप. Boolean data type is a subtype of integer. It is a unique data type which consists of two constant values, that is true or false. So any expression which can be true or false has the data type bool. Example, कोई कंडीशन हम ले रहे हैं, कोई एक्सप्रेशन ले रहे हैं, 6 is greater than 10, it will have a value either 6 is greater than 10, it will have a answer as false because 6 is less than 10. So if we are using bool data type, then the variable will hold the value false in this case. examples we will do in the practical session. Next data type which I have told you, that is none. Numbers के बाद sequence we will discuss in detail. First of all, none. None is a special data type with a single value. It is used to signify the absence of value or condition evaluating to false in a situation. It is represented by none. Python जो है वो कुछ भी डिस्प्ले नहीं करेगा when we give a command to display the value of the variable containing a value as none. On the other hand, we can say none will be displayed by printing the value of the variable containing none using the print statement. Now, coming to the next data type, that is sequence. Python sequence is ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by the integer value. Means collection of different items which is in a ordered form, that is a Python sequence. 3 type of sequence data is available in Python, that are strings, list and tuples. We will discuss in brief about these. In detail we will discuss in the coming sessions. So first of all, let us discuss string. String is the group of characters, and these characters may be the alphabets, these may be the digits or special characters, and even spaces are allowed in a string. स्ट्रिंग को हमेशा हम एनक्लोज करते हैं आइदर इन अ सिंगल कोटेशन मार्क्स और इन अ डबल कोटेशन मार्क्स. नो डाउट ये कोटेशन मार्क्स स्ट्रिंग का एक पार्ट नहीं होते हैं. दीज आर ओनली टू मार्क द बिगिनिंग एंड एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग फॉर द इंटरप्रेटर. You can see in the example str1 is a variable which is holding hello friend, and these are within quotes, means group of characters हम सिंगल कोटेशंस में भी रख सकते हैं. अनदर एग्जाम्पल str2 is equal to 452. Here 452, it is a string because it is enclosed in a quotation marks, double quotation or single quotation, anyone. It means now 452 is not integer, means we cannot perform numerical operation on this because it is now acting as a string. Next is list. List is the sequence of items which is separated by commas, and items are enclosed in square brackets. And the main thing to be noted is that items may be of different data type, means list can hold heterogeneous data types. See in the example, list 1 equal to 5, 3.4, New Delhi, 20C, 45, means it is having integers, it is having float, it is having string. All different data type elements are there. So list is a sequence of items which can hold different data types. And main thing to be noted that list elements are always enclosed in the square brackets. Next is tuple. Tuple is the sequence of items separated by commas, and the items are enclosed in parentheses. Parentheses means round brackets. And once created, we cannot change the items in a tuple. एक बार हमने values assign कर दी किसी tuple में, then this is immutable, means this cannot be changed. एक बार हमने एक tuple create किया, उसमें जो values assign कर दी, that will remain constant, that cannot be changed later on. This point to be noted about the tuple. So You can see the example. Tuple 1 equal to 10, 20, apple 3.4a. These are the 5 elements in this tuple, and when you will print this tuple you can see the same output, but you can see it can also hold heterogeneous elements, means the different number of elements can be of different data type, means it is having 5 elements, 2 are integers, 2 are strings and 1 is decimal. That is possible in case of tuple, just like list we have discussed earlier. Next comes mapping. Mapping is unordered data type in Python. पाइथन में अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही स्टैंडर्ड मैपिंग है, डेटा टाइप है, दैट इज़ डिक्शनरी अंडर द मैपिंग. सो डिक्शनरी इन अ पाइथन इट होल्ड द डेटा आइटम्स इन की वैल्यू पेयर्स, मीन्स एक डेटा आइटम will have a key as well as a value. Items are enclosed in curly brackets. We have discussed list. List में जो items हैं that is in a square bracket. Then we have discussed tuples. Tuples में we use parenthesis, and in dictionary we use curly brackets. Dictionaries permits faster access to data, and the key is separated from its value using a colon sign. This will be more clear from the example. And key value pairs of the dictionary can be accessed using the key. Keys can be of a different data type, but usually it is of a string data type, and their value can be of any type. So see the example to create a dictionary. Dict1 is equal to fruit colon apple comma climate colon cold price in kilogram colon 120. Whenever you will print this dictionary, you will see against the key value fruit value is apple, against the key climate value is cold, and against the key price in kilogram there is a value 120. We can print value at a particular against the particular key also by using this statement, print dict1 within square bracket we are given the key that is price in kilograms, so it will print the value against this key, that is 120. So students, we have discussed different data types in this session. In the next sessions we will start with the operators.